Business function is a major organizational unit of a business which has specific responsibilities and performs activity on a regular basis to enable the business to carry out its mission. The functions refer to the both organizational unit and the types of activity it performs. Business process is a set of activities which draw on one or more business functions to help carrying out the organization's mission. The business process often cuts across organization and functional lines. It may involve multiple organizations and business functions. Organization is born when more than one person coordinates to execute a work, such as a one person passing bundle to another person who puts them in order. People helping one another in work constitute an organization. The reasons people may not distinguish between IS and IT is that they assume all information systems are computer-based systems. An information system, however, can be as simple as a pencil and a piece of paper. Separate, the objects are just tools. Used together, they create a system for recording information. Information system refers to the entire set of information, not only the technology involved but the people and process as well. Information technology is a study, design, implementation, support or management of data within an information system. Comparison of information system and information technology. Information system and information technology are similar in many ways, but at the same time, they are different. Following are some aspects about information system as well as information technology. Origin. Information systems have been in existence since pre-mechanical era in form of books, drawing, etc. However, the origin of information technology is mostly associated with invention of computers. Development. Information systems have undergone great deal of evolution, from manual recording keeping to the current cloud storage system. Similarly, information technology is seeing constant changes with ever more faster processor and constantly shrinking size of storage device. Business application. Businesses have been using information system, for example, in form of manual books of accounts to modern tally. The mode of communication has also gone under big change. For example, from letter to email, information technology has helped drive efficient across organization with improved productivity and precision manufacturing. Transaction processing system is a transaction that any business-related exchange such as payment to employees, sales to customers, or payments to suppliers. Processing business transaction was the first computer application developed for most organizations. A transaction processing system is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices used to perform and record business transactions. If you understand a transaction processing system, you understand basic business operation and function. One of the first business systems to be computerized was the payroll system. Information system is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices that provides routine information to managers and decision makers. An MIS focuses on operational efficiency. Manufacturing, marketing, production, finance, and other functional areas are supported by MIS and linked through a common database. MIS typically provides standard reports generated with data information from the TPS or ERP. An information system that evaluates, analyzes, and processes an organization's data to procedure meaningful and useful information based on which the management can take right decision to ensure future growth of organization. Consider the subset of IS. This subset is most relevant when securing and delivering information required to help corporate managers make operational, strategic, and proactive decisions. A decision support system is an organized collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices that support problem-specific decision making. The focus of DDS is making effective decisions. Whereas an MIS helps an organization do things right, a DDS helps a manager do the right thing. Focus of a DDS is on decision-making effectiveness. DDS uses the summary information, exceptions, patterns, and trends using the analytical models. A decision support system helps in decision making but does not necessarily give a decision itself. The decision makers compile useful information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge, and or business models to identify and solve problems and make decisions. E-commerce involves the transaction of goods and services, the transfer of funds, and the exchange of data. Generally, e-commerce is powered by the internet, where customers can access an online store to browse through and place order for products or services via their own device. What is business intelligence? The term business intelligence refers to the technologies, applications, and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. The purpose of business intelligence is to support better decision making. Business intelligence helps business leaders use data in ways that are meaningful and powerful. Utilizing the tool derived from business intelligence components, organization can be better leverage data for competitive advantages. Used properly, the data can drive business decisions that can proactively respond to market trends and other external factors. While businesses today collect and store copious amount of raw data, few are harnessing the power of data to drive business insights and transformations. The only true constant in business is that it's always changing. Business intelligence provides methodologies and tools for today's business leaders to change effectively and lead their organizations with back-faced decision and more holistic view of growth potential. The four types of business intelligence user. Number 1, the data analyst. The data analyst, as the name suggests, lives and breathes data. A statistician by nature, they will drill deep down into the data, looking for fresh insights that will be used to underscore business strategy. The role includes documenting all your business data, identifying patterns, and creating reports and dashboards that will support the decision-making process. Number 2, the executive. The CEO, of course, is the helm of the business, driving the company's success by improving operational analytics, efficiency, and constant looking for ways to reduce costs. Business intelligence gives an organizational overview that allows the CEO to spot trends across the entire structure of the business insights that can support business growth, innovation, and operational efficiency. Number 3, the business user. Business intelligence user can come from the across organization. We often talk about two types of business users, the casual business intelligence user and the power user. The difference is that the power user has the capability of working with complex datasets, while the casual user will make use of dashboards to analyze predefined sets of data. Generally, the business user is often a manager who is looking for ways to help a department operate more efficiently and more effectively. This type of business user is often untrained in using BI tools but can pick up the basics of reporting and can use business intelligence successfully to report on business activities. Often, they undergo further training and become fully equipped to perform more in-depth analysis. Number 4, the IT team. IT is another key player in the BI process. The IT user still plays a central role maintaining the infrastructures and giving departments the tools that allow them to fulfill their own data requests. However, the role has become more rounded. These days, IT will cooperate much more closely with the departments and the business. It's their job to ensure that the business users are getting the most from data analytics, and they also key part of the data governance and security. They are also the bridge the gap between IT and business, helping increase BI adoption across the board. Business analytics refers to the skills, technologies, practices for continuous interactive exploration and investigation of past business performance to gain insight and drive business planning. Business analytics focuses on developing new insights and understanding of business performance based on data and statistical method. In contrast, business intelligence traditionally focuses on using a consistent set of metrics to both measure past performance and guide business planning, which is also based on data and statistical method.